The digital nomad lifestyle has become increasingly popular among individuals who desire a work and travel lifestyle. However, for families with pets, particularly cats and dogs, the question arises as to whether they can join in on the fun. This article explores whether a family with a cat or dog can become a digital nomad and offers some tips on how to make it work. The answer is yes, a family with a cat or dog can become a digital nomad. However, it does require additional planning and preparation to ensure that both the pet and the family are comfortable and safe. The first consideration is to ensure that the pet is comfortable with traveling. This may require some conditioning before embarking on extended travel. It is important to gradually introduce the pet to travel, including car or plane rides, to prevent stress or anxiety during travel. Additionally, pets should have identification tags and microchips in case they get lost while on the road. The second consideration is to ensure that accommodations allow pets. Many hotels, vacation rentals, and Airbnb hosts may have restrictions on pets, so it is important to research pet-friendly accommodations before booking. It is also important to consider the size of the accommodation and whether it will provide enough space for both the family and the pet to be comfortable. Another important consideration is the availability of pet-friendly transportation. While cars can be a great option for families with pets, it may not be practical for long-distance travel. In such cases, it may be necessary to explore other transportation options such as pet-friendly airlines or trains. One of the most important considerations for families with pets is their well-being. Pets require attention, exercise, and proper nutrition, regardless of the family's location. It is important to ensure that pets have access to veterinary care, a consistent supply of their preferred food and supplies, and ample opportunities for exercise and play. In conclusion, a family with a cat or dog can become a digital nomad, but it requires additional planning and preparation to ensure that both the pet and the family are comfortable and safe. It is important to gradually introduce pets to travel, research pet-friendly accommodations and transportation, and prioritize the pet's well-being. With careful planning and consideration, families with pets can join in on the digital nomad lifestyle and experience the joys of remote work and travel.